here. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh, what's wrong? Human stampede! Human stampede! Human stampede! Someone help me! What did I ever do to you? What did I do? You're adorable, baby Beans. Beans? Who's that one? Oops, sorry, that's awkward. Is that awkward?
But you're the one who just ate all your food, like 2 minutes ago.
Can you just hold your hand? Oh my goodness, what did I do? No. Why are you always following me to the bathroom? You're not respecting my personal space.
You already got like 10 treats today. It's enough.
You woke up and chose drama again. Yo!